search up by the pool. Come on, let's go. No, I want to go with you guys. No, we're going to look for her. You guys go all around the front. You can run ahead with your super fast. Henry! Dude, how fast do you run? Can you show me how fast you run? Wow.
Emma, no, put the dog down. Emma, dog down now.
I mean, if you
Dogs don't go on their backs.
I don't think she would want it.
Okay, let's play. The Pit of Despair. The Pit of Despair.
So it depends on the category.
Go for it. They're running, Jude. Want to go run with them? Go get him, Jude. Go get him.
She does special. They're in a department that just does special order stuff, like not for big runs of things, like for an athlete or